Hi everyone! Have you ever noticed that a lot of couples get married in the month of June? Well, as what I have researched, June is derived from the name Juno, who is a Roman goddess of marriage. And a lot of couples believe that if they get married on the month of June, they're gonna have a lot of blessings, prosperity, and happiness in their married life. In connection to that, for our video, I'm gonna show you how to make a DIY wedding invitation.
Yeah.
So for our DIY, we will need a metallic gold paper that I bought from Office Works, our invitation that I have made through canvas.com or canva.com and printed already, this DIY craft puncher, some special scissors, a double-sided tape, and ribbons. First thing first is you have to have your invitation. So I printed mine in an A4 and I'm just gonna cut this one through our special scissors. So with your special scissors, it's up to you what kind of design you want, which design you want. And for mine, I have decided to use the brown one because I find this design cutie. So just cut it on the side. See? Can you see its design? And it's gonna cut the middle. Voila! And then for our cover, we have this metallic gold special paper, and using the craft puncher, we're gonna punch the both sides or both ends of this paper. Voila! And then just cut this side. See? And then we're gonna do the same on the other side. Just have to push harder. This puncher really needs force. Gotcha. So now that we have punched both sides of, or both ends of the paper, we only have to place it somewhere in the middle. You don't have, it doesn't have to be equally perfect, I mean equally proportioned, because that's gonna be like part of our design. And then so you have this now. So using our tape, we're gonna tape this to our paper so it doesn't fall off. Then place it there. Placing there. Plus, just putting this on the front. And then with our ribbon, we only have to tie this up. This step is actually optional, but I just wanna use a double-sided tape so that we can keep our ribbon in place. Or else, if you don't put the tape, it's gonna move a lot. So I want it to stay in the middle, just in the middle. There you go. There you go. And then tie it. Hold on. That is this part. Nothing here. So this is our invitation. As easy as that. It's not even 10 minutes. So they only need to open this and read here the front page and the details. So there you go. All done. I hope you learned a lot from this tutorial, and thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit like, and press the notification bell for the update of my upcoming DIY wedding projects.